Okay, we've all done this before. We lost something small. It could be a diamond stud. It could be a small part like a washer or some small plastic pot. How would you find it? Right? It could bounce off somewhere in the corner of the room, or if your eyes are not that great, you might not be able to find it. So if it is something magnetic, you can use a pickup device like this. This I think I got from a dollar store, and I added a neodymium magnet to it. So if it is something magnetic, this will pick it up. You can use it like a minesweeper and sweep along your floor. So this will pick it up. But what if it is something plastic or non-magnetic? So I think you can try the Roomba. Okay, so I'm gonna put these small parts somewhere in the room and see if the Roomba can find it. This is a small plastic pot that resembles a diamond stud. Now I'm going to turn on the Roomba and let it find it. It's going to come back in like 15 minutes or so. I think it picked up all three of the parts. Okay, so let's take out the dust collector and see if we can find the parts in there. So you better wear a dust mask when you do this. Dump out the dirt that you collected. Okay, I found the first part right away. The small diode. Okay, the second part is a small plastic piece resembling the diamond stud. And then the third part is the metal washer. This was a little difficult to pick it up. So what you can do in a case like that, you can attach a piece of magnet to the bottom of the dust collector. You can put a little bit of hot glue here and put a small magnet here, so when it roams around it can pick it up. So that's what you can do with a magnetic piece that is small and flat and difficult to pick up with the sweeper. Like I said, the Roomba is more of a sweeper than a vacuum. So it did manage to find all three of these small parts. So I wish I had known this when my wife lost her diamond stud. So anyway, I hope you can find yours.